All right, let's look at the homework 3, problem number 9. All right, so it looks like we have $5,800 is invested at the 4.4%. That's the annual nominal rate, and then compounded monthly, which means that it's going to be a compound interest. How much money will be in the account in 7 months and 19 years? All right, so let's do that. All right, so we have a compound interest formula. We've seen this before, right? A of t is equal to p times quantity 1 plus r over m raised to the nth power, right? So let's identify each given value, all right? So we have 5,800. So this is going to be definitely the p value, principal or initial investment. And invested at the 4.4%. So this is going to be the annual rate. So annual rate R is going to be, so it's percent, so divide by 100, so 0.044, right? And since it's a compounded monthly, so this tells you that the number of compounding periods per year, so m value is going to be 12 because it's compounded 12 times a year. All right. Then we want to know the future value after 7 months and 19 years. All right. So 7 months, since it's monthly, so this is going to compound it 7 times total. So the number of the compounding periods is going to be 7. All right, for B, 19 years. So this is going to be 19 years. So you have 12 times per year. Then you multiply by 19 years. So you 12 times 19. All right. So let's do that. So part A is going to be for 7 months. So A of, all right, T is going to be 7 months. 7 months is 7 over 12 years, right? All right, so this is going to be equal to, principal is 5,800 times 1 plus R is 0.044, M is 12. Right, then the total number of compound periods would be 7. All right, so let's get this value. All right, bring it out here, and all right, so we want to find 5,800 and multiply by, and the quantity 1 plus, right, 0.044 divided by 12. Right, then, and raise it to the 7th power. Right, then hit enter. All right, so it came out to be $5,950.51. All right, so let's type this guy in first. All right, so we have 5,950 and 51 cents. Check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so for part B, we just have to change the t value. So for part B, we just have to find the A of 19, which is going to be 5,800 times quantity 1 plus 0.044. So these are exactly the same. All right, so we just have to change it to raise it to the 12 times a year. Then you do it for 19 years. All right, so we have so 5,800 times, and we have a 1 plus, all right, 0.044 divided by 12, and raise it to the 12 times and 19, right? and hit enter. All right, so it came out to be 13,360 and 85 cents. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so it came out to be 13,360 and 85 cents. All right, so hit enter. All right, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.